What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Today, we're gonna go through which camera is best for training video production. We got 3 options for you. We're excited to break it down. How we came up with these options and what you need to do to pick which one is right for you.
But first, we want to give you a gift. And in this gift, you will learn how to create a professional training video without needing a video production company. And you will learn how to create a highly engaging training video in 9 simple steps. It's linked below. Go check it out.
We are so pumped for you.
We are pumped.
Our process of how we build training videos at scale for our amazing clients.
Absolutely.
Here we go.
You hit record, you walk away, and you're done. That's it.
So you need to ask some questions. So when you're looking at a camera is actually made up of multiple pieces of equipment. You have the body and you have the lenses, or as some people call, the glass. All right? Now when you have your phone, it's all in one. The camera body is your phone. The lenses are built into your phone. Now there are some cameras that have lenses built in, but you don't really want to use those if you're gonna buy a camera. If you're planning on buying a camera that has the lens built into it, don't buy a camera, use your phone. So what is the least expensive camera body that shoots at least 4K? We got 2 bodies for you. The first one is the GH5S. That's gonna run you about $1,700. And then the second one is the
Blackmagic
6K Pro. That's gonna run you about $2,500. We love both of these cameras. We'll talk about them a little bit more as we go.
How much was that again, Johnny?
$2,500.
$2,500.
Now, in order to answer our second question, we actually need to prep the GH5S with what we call a speed booster. The speed booster is gonna cost you an extra $650, making the whole GH5S speed booster setup equaling $2,350, which is similar price to the Blackmagic 6K Pro.
Pre-tax.
So number two is what lenses or glass are compatible with the camera body that you chose. Now this is kind of an interesting question because what we're really getting to here is what lenses are worthwhile putting on your camera body without breaking the bank. Well, the best lenses come from Canon and Nikon when it comes to value for your dollar. In this case, Canon is what we recommend, and the GH5S with the speed booster that we recommend below will allow you to put a Canon lens on your GH5S.
I don't spell well, team, but we're gonna go with that spelling. I know it's wrong.
It's okay. Because I say Nikon to be nice, but really we only care about Canon lenses, and that's all what we're gonna put on our GH5S, which we're recording with right now, and then our Blackmagic 6K Pro, which we have multiple team members record with, and we will be recording with one next year once this price drops a little bit more.
Now, one other thing that we want to let you know, another reason why we recommend a 4K and 6K camera, right? And this plays in and ties all together is because when you have a camera that is at least 4K, when you are editing, which we're gonna jump into the next point, you can zoom in to the frame that you are capturing, basically giving the audience the belief that you have 2 cameras working at once when it's actually just one camera and one lens. It's just because it's 4K, you can zoom in without losing quality. It's awesome.
Yeah, and the lens that we recommend putting on both of these cameras is the Canon 24 to 70 millimeter lens. In the premium series of lenses that Canon is known for, we have it linked below the video as well. So number 3, when we're looking at all of this, it is important to figure out how are you recording audio. Now we have a video on our channel all about how to choose the right mic for your training video production shoot. But really what we're going after here is, are you planning on recording audio into the camera or separately. We always record audio separately. And what we use to do that, we have wireless Sennheiser lapel mics that are about $640 a pop. One on Hector, one on me.
I'm gonna go for it.
It's German. And then we use a device called an H6 to actually record that feed into. What you can do though is you can actually buy different mics that plug directly into your cameras, but it really depends on if you want to record that feed separately or not. We recommend it. You actually don't need to spend the $640. You can buy a less expensive mic on Amazon other than the Sennheiser to do that. And then the H6 is going to be around $300. But you can also record directly into your phone or into your laptop that audio feed and pair it with the GH5S or the Blackmagic 6K Pro. So how do we match all this up? Well, you always want to introduce the video that you are creating. You want to say, hey, today we're gonna record which camera is best for training video production. This is take one, action when you're ready. And when you do that, you're gonna have that audio on your video track and on your audio track. And then these great softwares nowadays, like Adobe Premiere, you just click one button, it's gonna match those tracks together. You pick the track that you wanna use, the audio track you wanna use, and there you go.
Now, in addition to all of this linked below, we also have your free gift link below, which if you want to learn how to develop a highly engaging training video in 9 simple steps and make it look professional without needing a video production team, we have that gift below along with all the links to everything we discussed today.
It's a simple one-page checklist. Go grab your gift. Thank you for the likes and subscribe.